Hello everyone, Apple Buff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to see what's inside the iconic iPhone 4S. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. iPhone 4S, launched in 2011, was regarded as one of the best iPhones to be ever made. Plus, the squared edges, boxy design and small in size made this a perfect handy phone that one could ever buy. So out of curiosity, I went up on Safari to see what the inside of the iconic iPhone 4S looks like. And while browsing, I ended up on a site called Grid Studio, who specializes in handmade industrial artwork, and they were actually selling a framed iPhone 4S turned into an art piece by displaying all of its individual parts. So I approached them and they were kind enough to send me a package. So without wasting a single minute, let's unbox this and have a look at the real gem. So in terms of packaging, I am absolutely blown away as well as impressed. Like, it looks so royal with the seal on the top. Plus, the one thing that I really loved about this is the black wrapper that covers and is essentially a part of the packaging. So with that being said, let's open this up. Okay, so this is the Grid 4S. Spread across an A3 sheet is made up of individual parts of the iconic 4S. I got this with the black frame, but you can even get this with the brown frame. And apart from the Grid 4S, you can even choose from the other Grid products that are up on their site. But of course, the link to the site is in the description, so don't forget to check it out. So my first impressions for the Grid 4S is, I'm speechless. Like, there's so much of detailing that has been taken care of. Like, along with the components that are individually placed on the white background, they even have measurements and labels so that you know exactly what you are looking at. The reason why this frame is extremely special for me is because it has the channel name Apple Buff printed on it. Thank you Grid Studio for doing this. One more thing to note over here is that everything that you see in the frame is real except for the battery. Due to safety concerns, the actual battery of the iPhone 4S has been replaced with an artificial one. At a price tag of $140, this is not exactly a cheap Apple gift, but for such uniqueness, it is absolutely worth the price tag. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.